Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quekquek sauce easy method. Begin by gathering ketchup, rice vinegar, sugar, turmeric, soy sauce, and optional chili for heat. Measure 1 part vinegar to 3 parts ketchup, then add sugar to taste and a pinch of turmeric for color. Whisk until smooth and simmer briefly to meld flavors. Taste and adjust sweet, sour, or spicy to suit your palate. Preheat your oil or oven and focus on technique. Boil eggs for about 4 minutes, cool in ice water, then peel carefully. Skewer each egg, dredge in flour, dip in beaten egg, and roll in breadcrumbs for that classic crunch. If frying, keep oil near 350 degrees F for even browning. If baking, spray with oil and rotate trays. Finish by tossing warm eggs in the prepared Quekquek sauce for full coverage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps drinks cold, has a secure lid, and is perfect for staying hydrated while cooking or snacking. I use it between bites and it saves spills when juggling skewers and sauce. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Plate your Quekquek attractively for maximum appeal. Place skewers on a platter with a small bowl of extra sauce for dipping and sprinkle sesame seeds or cilantro for freshness. Offer napkins and small plates when serving as a snack or party appetizer. If you made extras, store sauce in a sealed jar in the fridge and rewarm gently before using to keep flavors bright and texture smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.